Guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So if you guys want to know all the details about this unit that I have on, make sure you keep watching the video. Let's get into it right now. Okay, you guys, we are working with Unice hair again on Amazon. These are the little goodies that come in the box when you get your wig. We have some earrings and some very nice eyelashes, I must say so. But we're jumping right into this wig review, guys. This is the wig unit that I got from them. This is their balayage blonde 10A highlight brown straight lace front T-part wigs, human hair for black women. Long name, you guys already know how that goes. This wig is 150 density. Like I said, it is a T-part, and the wig that I have is in 20 inches. I'm showing you guys how the lace matches up with my skin. Sorry that I did go in there and bleach those knots, and I didn't realize I left that much bleaching powder. This is actually me looking at it right now like I'm crazy. I'm like, y'all, what? Anyways, this is how the lace matched up with my skin. She also had a very thick hairline because this is a T-part wig. I do have a tutorial on how you guys can pluck your T-part wigs, but I'm going to get into a little bit of that today just so you can see how I managed to get this one to look like the way it did. This is the construction of the wig, and this is the wig freshly washed. You guys, she did not come like this. I just want to repeat that. She is freshly washed. I did wash her. She came really shiny when I first bought her, and I wanted to get rid of some of that shine, and it did after washing it, and that's the texture that I got. So this product and some mousse were the only products that I actually used in this wig, you guys. I'll make sure to link that in the description box below just in case you want to check those out to get this super silky texture that I did. I sprayed this in there when the wig was wet, and I just blow dried it through, and it just gives any wig that's going to be straight a super silk shine that kind of looks natural and doesn't weigh down too heavy on the hair. So this install is kind of funny, you guys, because even after I did all that, I went back in and I had to wet the hairline because I was going to do some plucking to this hairline. I do have to mention these knots are small in the front but kind of medium-ish right behind there. So as you guys know, with a T-part wig, you only have a little bit of hair in the front to work with. So you want to pluck that very carefully so that it does look like a hairline. After bleaching those knots, the hair came out pretty easily, but if you don't bleach them, I am pretty sure that you're definitely going to be able to have this wig for a while. You guys do know that bleaching your knots comes with your hair being looser at the roots, so a lot more shedding, but personally I didn't experience that, and I actually wore this wig for my birthday, which was super exciting, and it turned out to be really cute, and I had her on for a good 2 to 3 weeks, so I can attest that this wig is still very usable if you guys want it. I'm right off the bat, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Okay, 8 out of 10. The link will be in the description box below if you guys want to see that, but mostly I just went in there and did some own personalized plucking. She does come pre-plucked with a middle part because she is a T-part unit, but I do go in there and pluck some more so that it looks more natural and scalp-like. So let's get into some details about this wig on Amazon. Like I said, this wig is from Unice Hair Company. This wig that I have is in 20 inches, and right now it's listed for a price of $182.74. You can apply your 5% coupon at checkout. This is Amazon Prime, so you can get this wig in one day, you guys. If you have somewhere to go the next weekend, you can definitely get this wig quick and in a hurry and follow this tutorial and get it looking right for your head, okay? They claim that this hair is 100% Brazilian Remy human hair wig and that the material was cut from hair donors. This is a 13 by 5 by 0.05 straight lace front brown blonde color, 1/2 inch middle part deep hairline, okay? The wig cap is the size of 20 to 22.5 inches to fit any head size. And it's a 2 highlight color wig. Okay, you guys, I'm just reading straight off the thing, so excuse me. But back to my experience, y'all, this wig turned out to be the exact wig that you do see on the website. It does stand true to how it looks on the models that they do have posted on their Amazon page, and you guys are going to be able to see once I'm done with customization and flattering this unit how pretty it actually actually looks. The only thing that I would say was an issue for me that I run into is the brown lace. But other than that, with a little bit of makeup in the end, it actually came out perfectly fine. As you guys can see in this clip here, this is how silky and beautiful she was. You can definitely see those highlights. They're very apparent, but they're not too much, and they're kind of like toned down like a medium brown color. So like I said, I did use some makeup on the T-part area just to cover those knots that would be blending in with my skin, and I used this Bold Hold Active to install the wig on my head. I would have to say lately I've liked to cut off the lace before gluing it down, but with the T-part wig, my focus mainly is to cover all the glue that's dried on my forehead with the hair on the wig, because that's how I get the most flawless install. And with this glue Bold Hold Active, it really helps that if you push in that lace, once that glue is clear, and use a blow dryer, as you guys are going to see after this, which I did to melt this honey, and she was looking too good in the end. I really couldn't believe I be doing these installs for y'all and it really like comes out like this, because I'm not gonna lie, I was full throttle on the phone just minding my business, and I was like, oh, this is not gonna come out good. But when she did come out fire, I was surprised, because I was barely paying any attention at all. But I did pull those sides forward when laying this wig, and that kind of helped to lay down the lace a little bit. But I have to admit, 10 out of 10 use a blow dryer with this glue. It's going to get rid of the shininess afterwards, and it's actually going to literally melt the lace into your head. So this was the finished look, you guys. I pulled down these two pieces just to help with some blending and to give me a little pizzazz, because I don't know, my face is fat for a super straight wig. Like I said, this wig was beautiful, much better than I expected, and she looks exactly how it's listed on their Amazon platform. This is how far she came down despite being 20 inches. It's like, you guys, I really think she was 24 inches, not gonna lie. Anyways, that's it for this video today. If you guys like this video or anything that I use, make sure to check the description box below. It will be down there. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my previous video. Give me a big thumbs up on your way out if you like this unit and you liked my content today, and make sure you hit those big red letters and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys as watchers in my next video.